by the lake and the crowds gathered round. He spoke from a boat to the folks on the ground. He told them a story of scattering seed, a word for the hungry, a word for their need. Whoever has ears, let them hear the sound. Look at the seed falling down to the ground. Look, listen, can you hear the call? Where does the seed of the kingdom fall? Don't let the shadows and worries take hold. Be the good soil, bring 100-fold. Look, listen, open up your heart. Let the roots grow and the harvest start. Some fell on the path where the dirt was too hard. The birds came and took it away from the yard. Some fell on the rocks and it sprouted up fast. But the sun beat it down and the green didn't last. Whoever has ears, let them hear the sound. Look at the seed falling down to the ground. Look, listen, can you hear the call? Where does the seed of the kingdom fall? Don't let the shadows and worries take hold. Be the good soil, bring 100-fold. Look, listen, open up your heart. Let the roots grow and the harvest start. Some fell in the thorns of the money and pride. They choked out the word that was planted inside. But blessed are the eyes and the ears that will know the deep, fertile earth where the kingdom can grow. Look, listen, can you hear the call? Where does the seed of the kingdom fall? Don't let the shadows and worries take hold. Be the good soil, bring 100-fold. Look, listen, open up your heart.